March 31st, 2024, Easter morning, Easter Sunday, around 8 o'clock I think. The pole barn framer finished his part of the pole barn yesterday, and we've got the vehicles parked in. He got the front, back, and this side closed down 3 feet. The rest of it will be up to me, depending on what Vicky wants, how she wants to do it. But we'll probably be closing in most of that side and the back. We'll be using some of the used or old tin that she has left over there, along with the rough sawn pine from Sykes' story that she still has left over. And then whatever configuration or design, or however she wants to do it, once she figures that out, I've got a couple of ideas I'm going to share with her. So keep checking back, because it's going to look a lot different in a couple of months. We'll be closing in this entire back more than likely. The southwest, west and southwest, where we get most of our storms, is back over there. So we want to close this in more. Probably close this in all together over here. I told Vicky it's all just a joke, but I like the idea. Close a room in right here. Maybe put a wood burning stove here. Have your smokestack up, going up. Have a nice little wood burning stove in here. It'd be pretty neat. I've always loved wood burning stoves. So anyway, I guess that'll pretty much wrap this up. I'll get a couple of pictures. Well, I've already got a couple of pictures. So yeah, I think it's perfect. It's just right height. That way you can still get up there and do a little roof maintenance. And on this side, the slide will come out. You have to have room for the slide. And you've got room to come out, open the door, whatever you want to do on this side here. So I think it's just right. And the shed roof is just right. You've got room to open the doors on both sides. So all in all, I think it's turned out very, very nice. So keep checking back over the next couple of weeks, months, and watch the transformation as it continues.